Yep.
Hey everybody, this is Tesla, and we're going to make a short video on how to install door projector lights on a 124 Spider, or really for any car for that matter. Now, I just got this kit today off Amazon. Yes, it comes from China. And inside the kit you have a adhesion promoter, 2 3M pads, instructions, two little magnets and stickers for them, and then your projectors. Okay, now on the projectors, 3 AAA batteries, which I've already installed. They don't come with them, you have to provide your own. And then you can buy the generic designs, like they may have your car logo or whatever. I went through a company where you can do custom designs. So I sent them my own design and they put it on. It's actually kind of cool. So, come in here. This pulls out and that has the design on it.
Show them that again.
That has the design in it. So I'm assuming you could actually get multiple designs and change them if you wanted to, because you just slide it out and slide it back in. Now the way this works is there's a button on top. You can turn I'm not going to show you what the design is, but you can see it's making a thing. You can turn this on and test it, and then now watch. Again, I'm not going to show you the design, but when it's within 10 millimeters of that metal plate, it turns off. So what you do is you put it down on your door with the metal plate right under it, and when you open the door, it turns on. And then if you don't want it to be on during the daytime and waste your battery, you can just press this button on top, which will be right where you can see it, and it'll turn it off. So it's only going to work as a projector when you want it to. On the Spider, because these have to mount within 10 millimeters of that metal plate so they can turn on and off, right down here is perfect. You can mount them down in here, put the metal plate just underneath them. Okay, I'm trying to decide exactly where I want to do it. I'm going to play with it here a little bit, and then I'm going to clean it and tape it and put it on, because people in Europe probably understand what 10 millimeters is. 1 centimeter, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. So here's the inch, there's the 1 centimeter. So it has to be from here to the end, it has to be that close to it for it to work. And so anywhere right along here is going to be enough for it to work, but I have to get it down close enough to where it'll actually turn it off. So I literally have that much space to work with. It's about 4/10 of an inch, really, a little bit under that. So what we have to do is clean off the area with isopropyl alcohol, and then we'll apply the stickies, and hopefully it'll work. So what I'm doing is I'm testing the positioning before I clean it and put the sticky down. And what I've done is I've put my little metal plate right here.
I can't see that. You're in the light. I can't see that side nearly as well.
I put the little metal plate down where I think it's going to work, and now I'm turning this on and it's shining the design, and when I get down close enough to it, it turns off right there. So when I open the, what the heck? Oh, it's stuck to it. Trouble is, it's metal, so it sticks to it.
Magnetic.
It's magnetic. Okay, see how it turns off? When I open the door, it'll turn on and then it'll close. So that's right where I want it. I just have to get it straight. Now I'm going to clean this area and then tape it down. and then we'll put on the projector. So it's going to be just like this. Fortunately, it's magnetic. I have to keep it against metal. So now we have double-sided tape, which I always fight with because of my lack of fingernails. Okay, so we have the metal piece down. Now I want to make sure that we have it just positioned right. And so right here is where I want it. So I'm just going to tape off the edge so I know exactly where it is. All I need to do is one on top and on one side, and it'll be good. So right here and right here. So I just have to mount it like that and it'll work. Oops. So now I'm going to clean this area. Let the alcohol dry off a little bit. While it dries, I will struggle with getting this stupid red part off the tape.
Give it to me.
Because I can't do it.
Give it to me.
So in this case, the curved side is the top. So I want the curved side right here. And we're going to stick this on like this. I can take my tape off. Now I have to take this part off. Now watch, I won't be able to get this one off. Here we go. And I'll stick this on. Okay, I turn it on, it's not on. Oops, why do I keep doing that? Okay, let's close everything up and we'll show people what it looks like. So I'm going to open the door, and you'll see that when I open the door, it will come on. And there's what it projects on the ground. My spider logo. When I close the door, it turns off. So, all we have to do is repeat that process on the other side, and we'll have them on both doors. And as I said, if you're just driving around in the daytime, You just take this button right here, and now it's on, but you take the button and press the button and it turns it off. So if you just don't want to show off your logos, waste all your battery power during the day and stuff, you can turn them off. Or if you're going somewhere at night and you want to show them off, you can turn them back on. Just press once on each side and they're back on again. I will find the link of the one I used. If you want a custom logo, follow my link. If you don't need a custom logo, man, there's hundreds of these things on Amazon to where you use a set design. It may say Fiat, it may say a Bart, but if you have a Bart and you want to use a scorpion, you have to send them your file and they will do it for you. Now, you also have a choice on the background. You can have the background be black or light. So if you wanted to, you can, I guess, make the logo dark and have it surrounded by a circle of white light. Or you can have it blacked out. I chose mine blacked out because I wanted the red logo. But you have a couple options to play with. You can find a bunch of them on Amazon, and I will have the link at the bottom. If you like the video, thumbs up, hit subscribe. Want to support me, come to the t-shirt shop and buy a t-shirt. Have a good day, everybody.